Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this September the 10th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out of so far, but so that's why it has become a Category 1 hurricane with 75 miles per hour winds. We'll talk about that in a few minutes as it continues to race on off to the. Okay, here it comes. All right, you can see here is the wind field of the tropical storm force winds. There it is, already a hurricane. This is 7 p.m. this evening. Hurricane Francine again. Update. As you can see, it made a hurricane, and here are the hurricane warnings straight from Louisiana to southeast Louisiana. Also, we have tropical storm warnings also in effect. Portion of Texas over in southwest Louisiana. Then again, for the Blue Hill region of Louisiana, all the way over towards the mouth of the Mississippi River. You can see it, and also southern Alabama, also connecting up with the Florida Panhandle region there as well. Tropical storm board, tropical storm watches and warnings has been issued over there as well. All right, if you're tracking the system at home, we're located near latitude 25.8 north, longitude 94.8 west, maximum sustained winds near 75 miles an hour with higher gusts moving into the northeast at 10 miles per hour. Right now, it's classified as hurricane. It would winds of 74 to 110 miles. Spaghetti models. You can see here is the center of the storm, well compacted to the going into east Tennessee and Ohio River Valley. So it's going to come up in here and kind of just meander to a cold front. I think later on to catch it and take it on eastbound, but it will bring some precipitation to this region here and a little bit lighter amounts to the east. But we'll take a look at the totals toward the end of this video. All right, if you okay, here's the intensity guidance. Right now, about 50 knot winds, equal to 75 miles per hour, and it heads on off. If it can continue to increase in strength, I would not be surprised to see a Category 2 hurricane Steve maybe making landfall in Louisiana. All right. think it's the rainfall totals. Okay, still waiting on it to come up. Okay, this is the flash flood potential. Excuse me. I have a slight risk in the green from Brownsville to Shreveport to Little Rock to St. Louis toward Knoxville, portion of South Carolina as well, down toward the Tennessee, Florida region toward Tallahassee and Cape Girardeau. And we have a moderate risk from just east of Lake Charles up toward Jackson, Mississippi, also New Orleans, Louisiana. You're included in a moderate risk for flash flooding. Watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Okay, it's slowly coming up. Okay, as you can see here is the tropical storm warnings and watches in effect for portions of the southern Alabama, western Florida, also areas of Mississippi and Louisiana. Winds and tropical storm warnings. We have special weather statements for you guys here in portions of hydro issues up here in portion of Montana, down in the portion of Idaho. Red flag warning continue for you guys in Idaho, Oregon, Nevada, Utah, and also there. We have some fire weather watches for you guys in Nebraska, portions of Kansas, and also Colorado, Utah, and also portions of Wyoming, and also winter weather advisory portion of Montana. Marines, weather still in Florida, then the east coast of Florida, South Carolina, and in the Hawaii chain island looks good. Got some small craft advisory around the Alaska area. All right, let's see. Now this is the rainfall totals across the area where Francine will make landfall. Slowly coming up again, slowly. Here it is. All right, we have a 1 to 2 inch portion of the Carolina. Then we got another area for the Carolinas and Georgia, about 2 to western North Carolina. Right along the South and North Carolina border, could even get 4 to 6 inches there. And also more 4 to 6 inches from portion of Tennessee to Jackson, down into Louisiana. We may even have 6 to 8 inches portion of Louisiana, and also in the portion of Mississippi. And also 12 to 16 inches offshore in the coastal water. And then we have a 2 to 4 inch also from portion areas of Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, back up toward Kentucky, Tennessee, also portion of Missouri, southern Illinois, and then that 1 to 2 inch also from Atlanta to Birmingham to Montgomery to Tallahassee, also just south of St. Louis, Louisville, Kentucky. You're included in that as well. All right, let's take a look at the next couple of systems out in the tropics. This is Invest 92L. All right, you can see it's starting to get a little better organized today. Yesterday, the computer model Got it. Okay, there's the current position of this Invest 92L. Computer model takes it to the west toward the northern Leeward Island, also through portion of Puerto Rico and also the Dominican Republic and Haiti area. So we'll have to continue to monitor the system as it moves to the west northwest. Okay, still waiting. All right, let me try that again. Something. Okay, here it is about 25 knot wind, equal to 30 miles per hour. This model here just keeps it to a tropical wave. There's a few taken to a tropical storm. So we'll continue to monitor that and see what happens with Invest 92L. All right, now let's move on to. All right, you can see here the little models yet from the next. Here's the GEFS track. Takes it off to the west northwest, then bends it back out to the sea. Few takes it to the west east. Okay, as you can see, you got 20 knot wind storm and into a category 1, almost to a category 2. So we'll continue to monitor this system as well. Alrighty. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Also like these videos, share these videos, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. And we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care.